Pain. Are you familiar? Do you know what that feels like? Do you know how much it hurts? Have you been to the bottom? Do you feel at the bottom? Do you feel lost? Do you feel angry? Do you feel confused? Do you feel like you're meant for more? Do you wonder how you even got here? Do you wonder? Pain. Pain. It's an interesting thing. It's not necessarily bad. It's not necessarily the enemy. And it is certainly not the end. Pain can be the biggest motivator and the biggest source of transformation for people. Think about it. Alcoholics, people struggling with alcohol, and they realize that they need to change. They have too much pain and destruction in their lives and in their health and in themselves and their relationships and everything, so they change. Or eventually, you've eaten too much and you've not exercised and you've just let yourself go, and you're sore and you're overweight and you aren't feeling good and you're depressed. That is the sign for change. Pain. Pain can be the biggest motivator. Pain can be the biggest transformer if you let it. Your rock bottom, your low moment can be the catalyst for change, for growth, for new habits, for new choices, for a new mindset, for new beliefs. What you do each day dictates who you become. It is your daily habits. What are you doing each day? So right now, you're in a lot of pain. What have you been doing? What have you been doing that's caused this pain? Also look at what you have not been doing. Have you been going to the gym? Have you been creating and providing value? Have you been believing in yourself and telling yourself the right things? Have you been focusing on what matters, on winning habits, on winning people, on helping to serve, on building specialized skills, providing value, showing up for yourself, filling your cup up? Have you done the work? If you haven't, that's fine. That's actually good. That means you're feeling pain and there's a lot of stuff that you can do. There's so much you can do if you decide. The power of change and the point of change is when you decide enough is enough and that you are worthy, you are worth it, you want to do more or at least a little bit better, and that you're going to. So go make a change. Go change your habits. Go do what you need to do. That is what I'm all about on this channel. If you want support, follow me in my channel. I talk about winning habits. I talk about having discipline and having belief and staying focused and doing the right things. I talk about how to handle the emotions that inevitably come up or that prevents you from being successful or prevents you from doing the right habits or that get you caught in a spiral that doesn't help you. I talk about what successful people do. I talk about how to make money because a lot of people we all need money, and if you don't have money, you can't do what you need to do. You can't buy the things for yourself. You can't buy the healthy food. You have to go work a job you hate, and then you're going to be more depressed and more sad, etc. I talk about the mindset that you need to have to win, to be the person you can be and that you already are. You are already this beautiful, capable person. The world has gotten to you. Let's push that aside. Tap into who is within. Go look in the mirror. Go look in the mirror right now and look at yourself and tell yourself that today is the day. If you feel called, I feel called to support you. Please feel free to join the page. Know that you're worthy. Know that you're worth it. Know that you can and will do more, but you have to decide. And then you have to change, learn the habits, implement them, and your whole world will expand. I know this because I've been this. This has been me, and I've completely transformed my life. And it's just the beginning. And I'll probably be reporting back in a couple years on how much more I've grown. Financially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, relationally, all of it. You can too. I know it. Ask yourself, is this for you? Is this the time? I think it's time. It's time to dive into you.